In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a Payoneer payment request. If you've received a payment request and you're not sure what to do next, follow along and I'll walk you through the entire checkout so you can pay safely and quickly. Start by opening your email inbox. Look for the message that contains the payment request. Open it and take a moment to review the amount you're being asked to pay. It's important to confirm that the figure matches what you're expecting, especially if it relates to an invoice or service you recognize. In that email, click the Pay Now button. Your browser will open a new tab that takes you directly to the Payoneer payment page configured for this request. On the first screen, enter your email address, then choose Continue to Pay. This connects the request to you and prepares the checkout. Next, carefully review the payment details shown on the page. Check the amount and the sender information. Make sure everything is accurate before you proceed. Verifying the sender helps you avoid paying an unexpected or incorrect request. Now fill in the required information. You may be asked for a phone number and your email, and you can create or use a password if you're setting up or signing into a Payoneer account. Doing this makes future payments faster and helps you track transactions in one place. Keep your login details private and secure. When you're ready, select Pay Now to move to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method. For most people, a credit or debit card works well. Then click Add Payment Method. Enter your card details exactly as they appear on the card: the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV security code. Double check for typos, then select Add Card to attach it to this payment. With your card added, the checkout will display the requested amount plus any applicable processing fees. Confirm that everything looks correct, then complete the payment. Give the system a moment to process. Avoid refreshing the page while it's working. You'll see a success message once it goes through. That's it. The payment request is complete. You'll receive a confirmation once the transaction has been processed, and you can save that message for your records. Always verify the sender and amount before paying. Make sure your card details are entered correctly, and be mindful of any fees shown at checkout. If this tutorial helped, remember to like the video and subscribe for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.